artificial. Have you heard of Dacr? Copyright Online. I just checked it out and I just want to scream. Okay, so here's this website, and like right away, the new standard for copyright protection. Instantly copyright protect your work and eliminate privacy. I mean, that's all I need to read. And I know this is BS. I've seen these websites before where they go, hey, if you just upload to our proprietary server, we're going to put a note. We're going to timestamp when you uploaded this to prove you're the copyright owner. And it's a scam. And they get you to do this, making you think that you are getting an official copyright registration from the government, which is not what this is. This is me saying, hey, come to my website, upload your file to whatever, my Dropbox, and I'll be like, it says on the Dropbox when you uploaded it. This is not going to give you any protection as a registration. This is really important. This is not a registration. The purpose of registering is so that you can unlock additional rights that allow me, for example, to sue on your behalf. We can't go to court and sue without your piece of paper, your registration. We can't get attorney's fees without your registration. We can't get statutory damages without your registration. So let's go through this on basically what the flags are. Even on the very tippy right here, they're showing literally what looks like a box or Dropbox. Just upload your song. Instantly protect anything. Okay. How it works, we give a registration certificate. So it looks like they give you a PDF. So they generate a PDF for you, public copyright record, and then they give you a timestamp. How do we compare? Well, instead of getting an actual copyright registration, which is the only thing and the only way you unlock those additional copyright rights, instead, you could use this service. And it's only $2 a year. And with that, let's see. How long does it take to get copyright protection? Seconds. Do you have global protection of your copyright? Yes. Can you sell and license your copyright with our tokens? Yes. Oh boy, I'm gonna have fun with this. Can you collect your royalties, have the reoccurring license fees? Yes, yes, yes. But apparently you can't if you actually go and get a copyright registration. So let me get this straight. Dacr, if I go and pay $2, what was it, a year to be on your platform, I don't get the registrations. I don't get the thing that's literally the only way that I'm going to get an actual copyright registration. I'll have copyright protection. Well, actually, just so you guys know, if you're in the United States, you have copyright protection as soon as you make your song, as soon as you make your lyrics. The reason we have to do the registration is because the protection you automatically get is not the same as when you register. You get more. So that's why we register. And also, just so you know, you have to have a registration before someone rips you off. If you don't, some of those super saucy extra rights I just described to you, you don't get them because you didn't have the timely registration. So anyway, they don't care about that. They're like, you have copyright protection. Well, that's true under just the law, not because they did something. So that's one. Two, global protection of your copyrights. No, that's not how this works. You have to have copyright registrations in every separate country. So for example, for our clients in the United States, if we need to go and register in another country because they're doing business there, sometimes we have to go do that. And conversely, we have clients who are in Germany and they're like, hey, we're exploring our music, we're registering, we're doing stuff in the United States. So they come and they register here. You have to register in different countries. They can sell and license copyrights. Well, you apparently can only do it if you register on this website, not if you get a federal registration. That's not true. You get a federal registration. And actually, even if you don't have the federal registration, your right to exclusivity and to sell and license and all the stuff happens right away. So that's not true. All right. And then also, apparently, if you get tokens, Dacr tokens. So this is kind of pissing me off, to be honest. So I appreciate you bringing this to my attention. And also, if you guys ever have show recommendations, things you want me to look at, you can always email me. I'll see you on the next one.